it is time to listen to our Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Governor Garu, and I request her to please advise us and guide us. Thank you, ma'am. It's over to you.
Good evening, good morning, a special good morning to each and everyone. And really I'm very happy to be here, and my respects to Dr. Sri Prabhakar Rao, CMD TS Genco and TS Transco, and ex officio Special Secretary. He has given an outline how the state of Telangana is conserving the energy, and they have moved from during the state formation from 70 to 4,000 units by solar energy. So I am really congratulate you for your efficient work. And Sunil Sharma IAS, the Special Secretary to Government, Energy Department, Telangana State, and he has also clearly outlined how the state is marching forward in the conservation of energy and how the policies are implemented, enforced to save energy. So I appreciate their exemplary work, and I am really very happy the government headed by the Chief Minister is very particular in conserving the energy, and they are not only conserving the energy, the tree plantation drive, the Green Telangana, the Harita Haram project is also supporting our aim to conserve the energy. And my respects to Sri Janaya VC and MD TS Redco, who is going to give the vote of thanks, and Syed Abdul Alim, who is presiding the program, and all the participants, particularly the awardees. Energy conservation is not a social responsibility, it's a personal responsibility. I should say that Sri D. Prabhakar Rao Garu and Sri Sunil Sharma Garu, IAS Garu, they have clearly mentioned all about the energy conservation. And I am very happy that I also gained some information from their speech, that how Telangana is moving forward. And I am very happy that we should be a role model. Before preach, we have to follow the advice. So Telangana is fully functioning on solar energy. So we are saving a large amount of money for the government. So I have to mention this. And as our Honorable Prime Minister said, India has to take a pledge that it will be energy independent. By the year, we celebrate the 100th year of independence. So before we celebrate the 100th year of independence, we are now celebrating the 75th year of independence. In another 25 years, we must have must be an energy independent country. And as the officers here has already mentioned what the policies taken by the government and how the government is following to conserve the energy, as a head of state, I want to mention as an individual, particularly we have to create awareness among the people. By following simple things each and every day, we can save energy. Our children, when they wash their hands, they open the tap fully. Water will be flowing. Few drops of water enough for washing our hands. So first we have to advise the children, just open the tap. Because as it is said, today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage. And when we move away from the rooms, all the lights are on. We fail to switch off the lights. It's a very simple procedure. When we do that, as I said, today's wastage will prevent tomorrow's shortage. And air conditions. It is said one neem tree is equivalent to 4 air conditioners. So we can open our windows, have a neem tree, so that we will prevent the energy consumption by the air conditioners and emission of carbon dioxide, and thus saving the power so that we are empowered. So small things. When we take care of small things, the big things take care of themselves. So as a policy, as our Honorable Prime Minister mentioned when he introduced, rightly said by the Secretary, the Power Sector, Telangana government, LED bulbs, the use of LED bulbs. For example, when our Honorable Prime Minister introduced the LED bulbs to the country, actually the consecutive meeting he mentioned that when the South Block was, all the bulbs in the South Blocks were replaced by LEDs, they saved 7,000 units per month. It's a great source of energy as well as it is the saving of money and saving of our energy too. And we can follow, because this is celebrated as the Energy Conservation Week. The whole world moves towards energy conservation, and they have mentioned each and every some dates, some days to celebrate the energy conservation. For example, January 10th, USA celebrates National Cut Your Energy Cost Day. 10th March, USA celebrates as Solar Appreciate Day. And April 1, USA and Canada celebrates as Fossil Fuels Day. And like that, each and everyone, 3rd June worldwide, it is celebrated as World Bicycle Day. And some of the countries have mentioned a single day as No Car Day, No Vehicle Day, No Smoke Day. So when it is the practice of the people and when we follow in our lifestyle, that will lead to the energy conservation and to prevent the energy wastage. So as the government officials mentioned about the policies, as head of the state, I want to advise the youngsters, just follow individually so that we can conserve the energy from home. When energy is conserved from home, the country will take care of it. So let us start from our house, let us start from our home. Whenever after returning from this conference, when we start from our room, let us see whether we are switching off the bulbs. Then when we are getting away from our room, we will notice whether fan is on, and we will note whether this air condition is necessary, and we will advise our children to conserve energy. So let us all conserve energy, and as I said, it is not only a social responsibility, it is personal responsibility. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your motivational and inspiring words. And the individual commitment which you mentioned, I think we all ensure that with individual commitment, we will show our commitment to the Prime Minister's vision, which he has committed to the global community, that we will achieve all those targets which we have shown us. And with your vision and with your leadership, with Honorable Prime Minister's vision and leadership, with Honorable CM's vision and leadership, and the dignitaries on dais, their leadership, I think Telangana is really going to achieve all these things, ma'am. We all ensure you, and we will also commit that. So thank you very much, ma'am. Now, TS Redco has brought a very good souvenir featuring best practices, innovations, and the roadmap ahead to achieve all these aspects. With the editor-in-chief, Mr. Sudhir Gautam, Indie Global Media. Ma'am, I request you to please come forward to release this souvenir. I request all the guests to please come forward. This souvenir is featuring the case studies, best practices, innovations in energy conservation and energy efficiency across Telangana and across various aspects, covering all aspects in the industry as well as the built environment and sustainable built environment.